What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Frost Garage again. So today we're going to be heading out to Bowman. Got another little gamblers bracket race going down. So already got the truck loaded up. It's in the driveway. We're going to drive it on out there, see how we do. This is being put on by Street Kings. Supposed to be putting some money on top on the pot for the gamblers race. So hopefully the pot will be pretty decent. We'll see how that works out. Quick update on some things. I sold the Colorado yesterday, so no longer have that Colorado. Went ahead and just moved the rat rod inside for now, and be probably have a video coming out here soon of installing a C-notch on the race truck. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead, get loaded up, head out, and head to Bowman. Supposed to have a good bit of quick cars out there running for grudge races that's locked in, so might try to see if we can get a little footage of those, and let's get to it. Also, guys, don't forget to try to support the channel. Go down to the link in the description, pick you up some Frost Garage merch gear. All the money goes back towards all the stuff I'm building and everything like that. So guys, go get you some Frost Garage gear and help support the channel. Alright, we made it out here to the track. They're about to fire up for time trials. We got a guy farming, he's gonna be running the Vega. We got Dalton Farman's new car out here, he's gonna be running. Got my truck ready to go with the slicks on there. We got Hardy Bell out here with his Camaro. We got Little Romeo out here with the white Mustang Pennywise. See who else we got out here. There's a guy right there walking down here now. What's going on, guy? Not much.
Hello, dude, Dave Frog.
You too. We got Geechee Danny's car. Got the Dalton Catcher white Mustang. A couple of all these grudge cars out here. We got a red Trans Am. We got a green Charger. See what else we got out here. We're gonna have a bunch more roll in when the sun comes down, because a lot of them don't show up till the sun goes down. We got another blue Challenger back there, orange Challenger, blue Mustang. We got that sick little C10 out here. Black new Camaro with a silver new Corvette. Got the black F-body out here. A blue Fox body. So I think we got somebody about to make a pass now. We'll try to swing by real quick and see it go down. So let's try to shoot over. Got a Grand National. I think that's that Plymouth or whatever. He's one of the bracket racers, so let's see what he does.
Way better. Shoot these off.
So looks like he hit the limiter on the 1-2 shift. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all that's out here right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting prepped and maybe make a time trial here real soon. So stay tuned. We're going to try to get a little footage of these grudge racers making some quick passes, and a little bit of footage of me making my bracket runs. right, so this was the slip from that pass. 60 foot was kind of trash for me as a 192 60 foot. I've had this thing go 182, but good mile an hour. It's about on the high side for what it normally does, so 834 or 83.4, but a slow ET do that poor 60 foot, cut a good 17 light. So I don't know what's up with the 60 foot. We'll get back to it. Let's go up here, try to get you some shots of some of these other cars running, and probably let it cool down for a little while and come back and make another test hit and see if it does the same. We got more of them rolling in. Like I said, they're gonna keep rolling in, especially when the sun goes down. So we got a nice Monte Carlo SS there. We got a Fox body on a trailer, and we got a, not sure what that, if that's a Buick or what that is there, but looks like we got a little Hellcat going here and another Challenger. So we got a Hellcat here and we got another Challenger. I'm not sure if it's a Hellcat too. I see it's an SRT, but I'm not sure if it's a Hellcat as well. I think they might try to do a little head-to-head, so let's see what they do. I think I like the blue one. Whew. Spinning ain't winning. Coming over here, got the hood off of it. Uh-oh. A little Henry J. Gotta hide the secrets. The secret is just get a light car that's full of fiberglass. That's the secret.
Yeah. Trade your rolling for something turnkey, that's the trick.
So I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna make a pass of mine now. So we just made our second time trial. See there, 21 lights, so another good light. 60 foot still bad, it's worse than even the first one. It was a 193 and it dropped to an 842 and a half a mile an hour. Dalton on his Henry J dropped 400s on his second pass too, so it's not just my truck. I think it's all this heat that's rolling in that's slowing us down. So at least if his doing is the exact same thing, I know it's not the truck, so I probably ain't. Maybe make one more test hit before they start, depends when they start, and then we're gonna roll right into eliminations. So we just made it on through the first elimination round. Sorry, I forgot to hit the record on the camera, so I didn't get the recording of the pass. I'll see if I can maybe find somebody else out here that got footage of it. But I ran Hardy Bell in his red Camaro there. So I dialed mine at 844 because I wasn't sure what it was gonna run, because it did a 841 on the one pass and it did an 848 on the second pass, but the second pass is super hot because of a Mustang. But I went up there, I went 12 thou on the light. He was a 006 on the light. So we both chopped the tree down. We ended up both being a double breakout because I wasn't going to lift and he wasn't going to lift because we was right there at together at the end of the track. But I got the I managed to pull out the win first round. Dalton pulled out a win in the Henry J for the first round, and Guy Farman pulled out the win in the Vega for the first round. So all three of us is in. We're doing good. We're going to try to keep carrying it. I'll try to remember to hit the record button on the second round. So we just made it back from the track. I could have bought back second round, but I don't probably see in the background of that last run just how many people was out there, and we had grudge cars all parked in the staging lanes, and you had to chase them down, get them to move cars and everything, and then people would just stand all in the way and look at you like you're stupid instead of moving out the way so you can get up to the burnout box and make a pass. So I decided not to buy back and just go ahead and take it home. But that last round, I ran Guy Farman. As you saw, I red lit, so I went 39 red. I also broke out. I just ran it all the way out the back door. But that is the best mile an hour I've seen yet out the truck. It did a 83.79. So you see Orangeburg there. That was an 83.54. I don't know why all day out here at Bowman today I've been like 192, basically 190s on the 60 foot. And I was 182 out at Orangeburg. So I'm not sure why my 60 foot so off out there at Bowman, whether it was just slick or something or what was going on there. But yeah, so ain't bringing no money home today. Didn't feel like dealing with all that mess out there. We came back. So also, I don't know if you saw when I ran Guy, he was actually running on 7 cylinders on that Vega because in the time trials he broke a rocker arm stud. So he just went ahead and pulled the other rocker arm off that cylinder and pulled the spark plug out and just ran it on 7 cylinders. But yeah, he cut a 004 light, and then he dialed a 743, went a 743 with a 3. So he dropped a 7-pack on 7 cylinders. That's why I went up there, went red. I know can't play with Guy Farman, so I went up there, tried to chop it down, and ended up going too far on the red side. So we'll try to get out to some more events and stuff like that later on. We've got some videos working on the truck coming up, so stay tuned for that. Guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate you guys, and I will catch y'all in the next video.